Good morning everybody, and this is the Fire Chef frying pan that I captured, rolled steel. Cooking away here, just checking it out. Just having a little afternoon out. I've got a little spot here. There's my patterjack, Breagha. Yeah, you're a good girl. She's having a whale of a time. And this is where we are. It started off a really nice day, but for February the wind's got up now a bit. It's got a bit misty, but it's not stopped us from coming out. I'm using the UCO flat pack grill, which I'll do a review on later on. And I've got my good old faithful chair with me, my Trichology, and other bits and pieces. But mainly it's about this frying pan here. Okay. I was just going to say the wind's died down a wee bit, but just gusted there. I thought I was in a sort of sheltered spot here. There's my chair and my fire going. There's Breagha again, having fun. She's just over 7 months old. She's a patterjack. This is our sort of first real outing into the woods. We're not far away from, where are we now? Foyers here. So, kinda down in that direction there is Loch Ness. And this is a nice quiet spot. I just found this spot today when I was out walking, so yeah, I might come back here actually. Might come back here with the hammock, because there's two good trees there. There's still a bit of life in them yet, so there's no widowmaker. But we'll see. This year's exploration is just starting. Let's go and have a look and see how this pan's getting on. This is a new camera I've got as well, so it's still trying to get used to it, but it's yeah, we're cooking away, Here we are, we've just come out from where we were having our lunch. Look over Loch Ness there. The wind's died down a wee bit, that's quite pleasant. Still quite warm though. Heading off that way. And that'll take us out back onto the road.